PPP forgiveness update, PPP open backing up, PPP loan update. My name is QUiNTiN Banks. If you are new to the channel, of course you guys gotta like and subscribe. That way you guys are in tune with the latest and the greatest information, guys. I will be providing this information to you guys each and every day. As always, I will try my best to keep everybody updated. I actually got my Instagram posted right there. Instagram, my Twitter, feel free to follow me there if you guys got questions. I know a lot of people tend to DM me on Instagram, and I really appreciate when you guys DM me and ask me tons and tons of questions. So today's video, we got the PPP forgiveness update, and this was a member of my channel. They begin to say, does anybody know how long it takes for the SBA to update CHIME? My PPP loans are forgiven since August and it still shows active. Glitch perhaps? Now, I do want to let you guys know there has been a glitch going on. As far as the PPP forgiveness, then there was another glitch that was going on as far as the forgiveness and actually receiving your PPP loan. So each case is different. I do want to let you guys know that each case is different, but just know when it comes down to it, if it's a glitch, sometimes it will take a little bit longer. But let's get into some of these comments, so hopefully we can get these things updated for you guys. I know people right now, as far as when it comes to the PPP update, who are still waiting on their PPP loans. You know, as of right now, they are still waiting on those PPP loans. They are still waiting for someone or something to deposit or someone to give them an update. I do know when it comes down to it, at the end of the day, there's tons and tons of people out there who actually, you know, are still waiting, and then there's tons of people who actually already got funded. So, you know, it's a win-win situation if you guys are already funded and it's just a glitch, but I definitely understand how it can be a bad thing. Now let's get to some of these comments. Somebody began to say, I went through Biz 2 credit for both PPP rounds, and for me it took a few days for my first round of forgiveness, and second took 2 weeks. Hope this helps. Now everybody's different. You know, everybody is different, you know, whether we're talking about if somebody's waiting on their PPP loans, additional documentation, or they're waiting for the PPP to get canceled. Everybody is different, so keep that in mind as well. You know, everybody is different. Somebody said Capital One crooks, it can be paid and they will still not update the system as if it was never paid back. Year or so down the line, Capital One is stating you owe them for funds they claim they didn't receive as repayment. Somebody said, what documents did you have to provide to the loan forgiven? I went through Blue Acorn. So the documents, and there are some people who are still waiting for or who have to provide additional documents like ID, you know, your banking information and things of that nature. So there are still some people out there who are still waiting for that as well. Somebody said both of mine were forgiven by the SBA, but the CHIME took about 1 to 2 months to update to paid. Somebody said thank you. Hopefully mine will update soon. Somebody began to say I was forgiven in early August and it recently appeared, showed on CHIME, paid in full for 1 PPP around mid-September. You know, like I said, people are still getting funds, and we're in September. We're actually in October right now, but as of a couple weeks ago, people are still getting funds. Somebody said I went through Womply and my lender was Cap Plus. Mine was forgiven the next day after I applied. No glitches or no extra steps. You know, that's good that they didn't have any glitches or no extra steps that they actually had to go through. Now, I do want to let you guys know, as far as when it comes to those glitches, you know, it's common, right? It's normal. You know, I'm not going to act like it's rare. It is normal. I have seen tons and tons of people go through those glitches. Tons and tons of people actually have to just wait it out. You know, when it comes down to it, you know, you just have to wait it out. And I definitely understand how tough that can be, but sometimes that's just the best thing to do. You have to wait it out. If you can't get in contact with anybody, that'd be the best thing to do. You know, and if you can't get in contact, try to review documents to see if there's any other things that you can do as far as phone numbers, emails, things of that nature. If you guys got questions still regarding this PPP loan, let me know in the comment section. As always, I will really try my best to keep everybody updated and keep everybody in the right direction. As always, my name is QUiNTiN Banks. Stay loyal, stay blessed, stay true, stay you. PPP update, Blue Acorn. We're going to be talking about funds deposited. Also, we're going to be talking about return funds. Guys, let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. I know tons of people are still waiting for a PPP loan. There are also tons of people, accepting the fact that it did end. Now, everybody is different. I do want to let you guys know, depending on when you filed and how you filed, people are still waiting on PPP loans out there, so there are still funds out there that is available to you guys. Hopefully we can get you guys some updates, and as well, let me know in the comment section if there's anything that I can do, when it comes to, pointing you guys in the right direction when it comes to the PPP loans. Now, there are other loans out there, like I mentioned, that people can apply for, and it's all really different, right? It's really based on your location. Every location is different. Everybody requires to do that, so like every location is different, right? So at the end of the day, guys, let me know in the comment section where you guys stand. If you guys own a business, what's going on? Is there any other thing or any other loans out there that you guys can apply for? So we're gonna jump right into this. I do want to let you guys know I'm doing a giveaway at the end of the month, so that's just my way of giving back to you guys. And this was a member of my channel. They began to say Blue Acorn PPP return funds, and this was just yesterday. They began to say I applied for a PPP back in April. It got approved and my bank rejected it. Then I changed my bank information, and it took a couple of weeks for them to tell me I'm receiving my funds. Then almost a month later of back and forth on QUiNTiN SBA, and in the end they tell me I won't be receiving my funds. What? So anyways, I emailed SBA and haven't heard a word. What do I do now? It still says the money is in my name. I just don't have access to it. So let's get into these comments, because I am intrigued to seeing what exactly is going on, if there's anything that I can do. So I'm beginning to say, honestly, I was told to just be patient and it will work itself out. But I'm confident in that comment. I'm not confident in that comment at all. So I begin to say the loan is going to be canceled in QUiNTiN. Nothing you need to do. But how long? I am in the same boat. It's been over 6 months and no change. Now, guys, people have been waiting over 6 months, literally. So I definitely know the struggle. I definitely know how people can feel and how frustrating that it can be. You're waiting 6 months for a PPP loan, or even the government in general. You're waiting for the government to do some type of update, and it just seems like they don't do